high-performance computing. Superprocessors change the game. PicoComputing transmutes raw data into refined insight fast. Insights that connect the dots that enable breakthroughs that were previously impossible or simply unimagined.
Our value proposition is really centered around two primary objectives and goals. One goal is to really break through the barriers that have been holding us back from really achieving a significant improvement in performance that we haven't been able to achieve before. The second part is, while doing that, how do we reduce the design complexity and burden we're placing on the design engineer, so we reduce it first to something manageable and then we make it virtually disappear.
PicoComputing's architecture, based on PCI Express, field programmable gate arrays, and advanced memory technologies, is designed to not only dramatically accelerate your mission-critical algorithms, but make it easy.
What we're doing here is trying to solve complex problems with simple solutions and really rethink them outside of the standard x86 paradigm. So in order to tackle big data problems, we have to think small.
This low-power superprocessor, the foundation of our technology, and a powerful supercomputer in its own right, is actually no bigger than a business card. And it's a key component of an innovative plug-and-play architecture that makes system design and expansion as simple as snapping additional superprocessor modules onto the PCI Express board and multiple boards into a chassis to enable massively parallel operations. Our design environment includes all the hardware, firmware, APIs, and tools you'll need to bring your application to high-performance fruition. And that includes the gold standard controllers for advanced memory technologies, including Micron's hybrid memory cube and DDR4 memory, integrated into our superprocessor modules in single-board computers, like the SB850, featuring a Xilinx UltraScale FPGA with 8 daisy-chained hybrid memory cube devices, or the SB801, featuring 4 Altera Stratix 5 FPGAs sharing a single 4-link hybrid memory cube and heralded as the world's highest performance PCIe-based blade server. Whether your HPC applications are targeted to the cloud or to the desktop, to workstations or clusters, flexibility is essential.
What we're really trying to do here is provide both flexibility and scalability for the supercomputing arena, and focus on applications that target large amounts of streaming data, cryptography, bioinformatics, networking, and even imaging.
Because the needs for such computing solutions are growing exponentially, making the technology accessible to a much wider development community is crucial. That's why PicoComputing is a leading supporter of OpenCL, a C-like programming language that automatically compiles and loads user-created algorithms onto the superprocessor module's FPGAs. This means developers can create their code in a familiar language and run it in dedicated hardware, seeing firsthand the dramatic acceleration they can achieve over conventional multi-core processor-based architectures. And all that power sits right on the desktop. Our unique systems-oriented approach enables HPC solution providers and developers to deliver complete and superior solutions with less risk and faster time to market. In short, we close the gap between advanced computing technologies and actualized competitive advantage.
So whatever your hardware acceleration needs are, we make it work, we make it scale, and we make it easy.